out this set of Moscow Mule Mugs by Benicci. And you're gonna get 2 mugs. Look how beautiful these are. And they have a hammer finish. You're also gonna get this double-sided jigger, as well as 2 copper straws, and also this straw cleaner too. Perfect. Let me show you a close-up of all you're gonna receive. This is what the mug looks like, and it's a hammered finish, and this is handcrafted, so no 2 are gonna be alike. And it also has this handle, which is welded for durability as well. Beautiful. You're also gonna receive this double-sided jigger. And this way you're able to put shots on both sides. Perfect. Last but not least, you're gonna receive 2 copper straws as well as this wire brush to clean them after use. Awesome. These are also very easy to clean and I absolutely love them. Keeps your drink super cold and the mug stays cold as well as the straw too. It's awesome. Thank you, Benicci, for sending these to me, and thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Cheers!